Okay, we are now critter looking and over here. And my eyes aren't burning with the sun as bright as it is. I'm not seeing anything. And we haven't been over here. You would think there'd be a bird. Oh, there's a bird. Okay. The bird went away. Okay. Maybe there's more birds this way. I don't know. There's some logs there. I think there was some birds in the mist that way. I think. I think they're gone. Oh my god, get off of me. A bug crawled on me. Alright, he thinks there's somebody over here. Oh, Lord. Okay. Sorry. Alright. I'm not sure if there is any critters or anything over here. Maybe there is. Oh. Alright. I thought I seen something, me and Chong, but I think that went away.